Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the odds of winning Australian Powerball. And with Australian Powerball, you've got to select 7 numbers from 35, and then the Powerball is one number out of 20. And this changed recently, so I thought it's worthwhile redoing the video to show you exactly how to work out the odds of winning Powerball. And there's your coupon. Where you've got the new coupon, you've got 7 numbers to select from the top, and then 1 number to select from the Powerball from the coupon. Okay, so what I'll do then, I'll just randomly pick 7 numbers from the top section: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that'll help explain how the odds are calculated, and then I'll pick 1 random number from the Powerball. Now when you're watching the draw, you've obviously got 35 numbers in the first barrel, and when the first ball's drawn, you've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've actually got 7 chances out of 35. When that first number's drawn, of actually matching any one of those numbers on the ball on your ticket, and matching what's drawn out of the barrel, and it doesn't matter what order they come out in. So you've got 7 chances in 35. The first one, and we'll just mark off one of those random numbers to signify that you've matched a number. And now when the second number's drawn, then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got 6 chances now of matching the second number, and now there's 1 less number in the barrel, so you've only got 34 numbers in the barrel to choose from. And I'll mark off another one of those numbers just to show you how it works. So you'd obviously match the first 2, and that's your odds of matching the first 2. And now when the third number's drawn, you're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances. And this time there's only 33 numbers in the barrel, so you're left with 5 chances in 33 of the matching the third number. And I'll mark off another one of the third numbers, another number. And now when the fourth number's drawn, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're left with 4 chances, and there's suddenly only 32 balls left in the barrel. 4 chances in 32, and mark off another one of those numbers randomly. And then now when the fifth number's drawn, 1, 2, 3 chances, and that's out of 31. You've got 3 chances in 31, because you've got 31 numbers left in the barrel, and mark off one of those numbers. When the sixth number is drawn, you've only got 2 chances left of matching that 6th number, and now you've only got 30 numbers left in the barrel, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have already been drawn. And mark off another one of those numbers randomly. And now when that last number's drawn, the 7th number's drawn, you've only left with 1 chance and there's 29 numbers in the barrel. You're left in 1 chance in 29 of matching the 7th number. So all we need to do then is multiply out the top: 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. I'll put that in my trusty calculator. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 5,040. So you've got 5,040 chances in, and we multiply out the bottom: 35 times 34 times 33, 32 times 31 times 30 and times 29. Multiply all those out, so I'll put that in the calculator. 35 times 34 times 33 times 32 times 31 times 30 times 29. And you're left with the number which is 33,891,580,800. So you've got 5,040 chances in that 33 billion number. And what we're going to do there is simplify that fraction so we can express it as one chance in a certain amount. So what we'll do is we'll divide both sides of the fraction by 5,040, and 5,040 divided by 5,040 gives you 1. And the 33,891,000, we'll divide that by 5,040 as well. And that gives us the figure a little bit more respectable, 6,724,520. So there is, okay, so select matching those 7 numbers out of 35 is one chance in 6,724,520. And now you've got to actually match the Powerball, and you've got one chance in 20, of matching the Powerball. So that means that the odds of getting the top 7 numbers plus the Powerball is 1.67 million multiplied by one chance in 20. So 1 times 1 is 1, and then 6,724,520. Multiply that by 20, and that gives you one chance in 134,490,400. Okay, so if we have a look at the back of the Powerball coupon, we'll see that the odds of winning Powerball one game is one chance in 134,490,400, which is the exact same number that I've found, I've calculated to be the odds of winning Powerball on my calculation sheet. So that's the odds of winning Powerball, Australian Powerball, with one game is one chance in 134,490,400. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.